Now, a general suggestions: ask questions. Whether you are on meetups, whether you are on Zoom, whether you're talking to people during networking, that's a very important thing. Be known as a person who asks good questions. Be known as a person who is a very good listener. People love listeners. People love to talk, and they don't really like to listen. Therefore, when you are known as a person who listened to the problem first, who analyzed the problem first, and only after that giving that solution, people like it, people love it, people build the trust with you. So when you visit in different types of meetups, ask these questions. Now, if you can, note down these questions. If you know that these questions can be a phenomenal source of content, write them down. This will allow you to create tremendous amount of videos which help people to find solution, and it will also position you as an expert in your niche who answering the questions which people have, which means it will position you as an expert who care about the problems of your audience. So listen and ask questions everywhere you can.